How is it? It's running?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Just now.
Okay. So, hello and welcome to my channel. This is an introductory video for my YouTube channel. And it's first time for me. It doesn't look awful lot professional, I know, but you gotta start somewhere, right? So my name is Yuta and I have a coffee roasting business in Tokyo. I will be posting videos about coffee and Japanese coffee scenes and life in general. So if you're into coffee or Japan or running a business, please consider subscribing and comment and let me know what I should be talking about, because for now I don't really have much idea, but I just wanted to just start filming, otherwise I'll be forever procrastinating and not posting anything for another 6 months and wondering how cool it would be to start a YouTube channel. So here we go. I thought it would be neat to talk about this YouTube channel while preparing coffee as just a talking head style videos. I'll be too nervous, so just to ease up a little, I'm gonna brew my coffee with the method I like, and I usually brew my coffee with this method called V60. This little fellow here, V60, is made by a Japanese company called Hario, and sort of a world standard in brewing coffee, manual coffee brewing. This is really nice, versatile, and pretty cheap. This one is made with glass, so it was like about $10. You can also get a cheaper version with plastic with $2 or so if you're in Japan, on Amazon or pretty much anywhere. So this coffee right here, I'm brewing Mexico decaf. It's afternoon, and I actually quite like decaf coffee. People tend to think that decaf coffee is awful, but when it's prepared nicely, it can be quite enjoyable. Okay, I just grinded 16 grams of my coffee. I like to use about 60 grams of coffee per 1 liter of hot water. And because I'm using 16 grams of coffee beans, I'll be pouring 266 grams of hot water overall. If you're using 15 grams, you use 250 grams, so it will be a little more neater, easier to remember simple numbers. But recently I'm brewing 266 because when I'm splitting the end result in 2 of these cups, it fits nicely. Okay, so what am I to do? What am I to talk about? A little introduction. So I am 31-year-old male. I like cycling, MMA, and working out, traveling, food. I used to like drinking also. I have a sommelier certificate also, but for health reason I'm easing up with alcohol consumption. Maybe I'm recently drinking only once or twice a week. I still love nice flavorful wine here and there. What else? Oh, so yeah, I started getting into coffee when I was a kid, and pretty much as soon as I started my student job, I started working as a barista and also a kitchen hand in some other cafes, but mostly my passion had been always coffee brewing, coffee culture around it. When I was in university studying to become a lawyer, I was studying law, I thought instead of maybe becoming a lawyer, how about become a full-time coffee professional? And so I took 1 year off from university, flew to Australia, Melbourne, where there is a world coffee champion that I have been following, called Mud Burger in Australia. So I went to Melbourne and started working in one of the cafe that was a part of the St. Ali group, where the Mud Burger was working. And there I did 1 year of full-time barista, thinking maybe I love coffee so much, but if I do full-time coffee, maybe I would hate it. And in the end, the experience was really nice, and I ended up loving coffee even more. So after 1 year, I went back to Japan, started a coffee stand. While I was also still in university, I graduated, thankfully, and since then I've been doing coffee shops, consulting, coffee roasting, sommelier, and also web development and all that. Maybe I will have a chance to talk about more about that in the future. Okay, then now I'm a web developer and coffee roaster in Tokyo. We'll be posting things about coffee here. Alrighty then, coffee's ready. And this was my first ever YouTube video. Thank you. Hopefully see you again.